2005 Altima, Nissan Altima. What we've got here is the Y pipe. I bought the cheap eBay like home built shit. It seems to be alright aside from this sweet bend that's going on. Two pieces that they just cut and welded up right there, which whatever, I don't care. The bends are really awesome though. You can see, not real professional, but I don't really give a shit because this is my daily driver. All the studs are just rotted to crap. I mean, just total shit. I tried to put a socket on some of these and it just was not happening. So what I did was I just went through grinder. On this one I couldn't really get to, so I cut the pipe so it would drop down. These guys I was able to get to with the grinder and the Sawzall. Back here I put vice grips on the nut and the nut crumbled off. So that was cool, I guess. I didn't feel like fucking with this thing. Cut that off, don't care. Make sure, you know, you take your O2 sensor off. I just use a crescent wrench for them. But that's pretty much it. I just figured I'd post the video up in case anybody else in the northern states, or the states that see a lot of salt and cinders and snow, are attempting this. The real pipe itself is like $500. It was like 450 bucks. I wasn't buying that shit. Found this on eBay, 150 bucks. I mean, if it lasts 2 years, I'll be happy with it. In order to separate the clamps from the exhaust without hopefully damaging my header pipe that comes off of there, I'm trying to separate this guy here. I just went at it with a hammer and a fairly sharp chisel, and I just kind of got in there and I just took my time with it, and that's probably what I'll do with this guy. I think she's all fixed. Oh yeah. Sounded sweet, buddy. Is it too loud? Yeah. So here's what I did. I actually cut more of that pipe off real close, if you can see, so that I could get to this guy. I took the Sawzall, boom, and I cut off more of it. Or no, I'm sorry, what did I use? Oh, I used the grinder to get this one first. This guy, first of all, right here. And then once I got to that dude, then I came in on this one and I actually just cut slits into it to weaken everything. And then I just took a chisel up in here and I just went around it, and I'm just slowly walking it off. I don't want to damage my header because they're so old.